Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Two things. You could either boil your water in a kettle or you can boil it on the stove. I don't know where they get this idea, so you must boil sorrel. My grandmother never teach me to boil my sorrel. My grandmother teach me to draw sorrel. Alright, so first I boil some water in my kettle. This is what Chef Ricardo been doing for Christmas. And I'm gonna pour at least, let me show you. Now this is my kettle. I've just boiled the water inside of my kettle, alright? Right there, I'm looking probably about say 7 cups of water inside of that pot. Lovely. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in that ginger which we just beat it inside of the water. Nice one. This is how my grandmother teach me to do my sorrel for Christmas. Some people grate it. I mean, I don't know grate a thing. They are go back in my tradition thing. It's Christmas. My pack of sorrel, to be honest, is 125 grams. Alright? So you could get that 125 grams with the water also. But the dry one, to be honest, guys, have to be careful with the dry one, because the dry one really thick. I'm gonna pour it straight, everything, one pack inside of that 7 cups of water. Alright? Nice and lovely. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this like this. Alright? I'm joining my sorrel. And I'm gonna leave it like that for 24 hours. If you don't wanna leave it for 24 hours, leave it for 6 hours. Alright? So you can go to work and come back and it will be cool and dry and nice, and then we're gonna sweeten it. Make sure you got white rum and red label wine and brown sugar. Alright? That's what we're gonna do our Christmas sorrel. Enjoy the recipe and see you in the next 6 hours or 24 hours. Bye bye. So a lot of things is coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you next time.